Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to separate audio from video in DaVinci Resolve. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So as you can see, I'm on the edit section here and I have my video, and as you can see, when I select this video, I see the red outline just in the audio and video frames. So basically it means that they are connected. So to separate audio from the video, all I have to do is to simply right click on the audio or the video, and here I have a little menu. So all I have to do is to simply turn off link clips. As you can see now, it is turned on, the little tick here. So I need to just click on it, and as you can see, the link icon disappeared, and it basically means so that I can select them separately and move, for example, audio as I want, increase it, decrease it, or basically do whatever I want. And basically that is it. That is how I can separate audio from video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.